Welcome students in the second part of the lesson Operations on Fractions. Today, first we are going to learn the first mathematical operation, that is addition of mixed numbers. So try to understand it carefully. This is an example. We are going to add these two fractions, 1 integer 1 upon 4 plus 3 integer 1 upon 2. Here in this fraction 1 is the natural number and in this fraction 3 is the natural number. So we are going to add these numbers first. So 1 plus 3, this natural number and this natural number. So 1 plus 3. Then write this 1 upon 4 fraction. Then write this fraction. So plus 1 upon 2. Here the addition of these two natural numbers is 4. So write 4 here. Plus now here 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 are the unlike fractions. So first we are going to make them like fractions. So what we have to do? So first multiply this fraction into 2 so that they become like fractions. So 1 upon 4 plus 1 into 2 and 2 into 2. So therefore 4 plus 1 plus 2 ones are 2 and the denominator is 4. So here 1 upon 4 plus 2 upon 4, that means 1 plus 2 upon 4. Now 4 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 upon 4. Now the addition of these two mixed numbers is 4. Now remove this plus sign. 4 integer 3 upon 4. So students, this is the first method of addition of mixed number. Now let's take the second example. Now in this example we are going to add 5 integer 1 upon 5 plus 2 integer 1 upon 7. Again by this method, first add these two natural numbers. So 5 plus 2 plus this fraction 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 7. Addition of these two natural number is 7 plus, now here again these are unlike fractions. So we are going to make them like fractions. We can make these fractions like by multiplying this fraction into 7 and this fraction by 5. We can also call this cross multiplication. So 1 upon 5 is multiplied by 7 and plus 1 upon 7 is multiplied by 5. बघा मुलांनो, याला आपण क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन पण म्हणतो. 5 plus 2 7 आणि या ठिकाणी छेद समान नाही म्हणून आपण इथे तिरकस गुणाकार केलेला आहे. आपण ह्या अपूर्णांकाला 7 ने गुणणार आहोत आणि ह्या अपूर्णांकाला 5 ने गुणणार आहोत. पहा, म्हणून 1 गुणिले 7 छेद 5 गुणिले 7 अधिक 1 गुणिले 5 छेद 7 गुणिले 5. सो 7 प्लस 1 7 जा 7 and 5 7 जा 35 plus 1 5 जा 5 and 7 5 are 35. Now these two fractions become like fractions. Now 7 plus 5 is equal to 12 upon 35. Now remove this plus sign and write down 7 12 upon 35. So the answer is 7 integer 12 upon 35. Thus we add the mixed numbers by method 1. This is method 1. We can add these mixed numbers by another method also. Let's take this example again. 1 upon 4 plus 3 1 upon 2. That means 1 integer 1 upon 4 plus 3 integer 1 upon 2. पहा मुलांनो, ही एक मेथड आहे आणि आणखीन एक दुसरी मेथड आहे. त्या मेथडने आपण आता गणित सोडवणार आहोत. पहा मुलांनो, याला आपण मिक्स नंबर म्हणतो. ओके ना. आणि आता आपण ह्या मिक्स नंबरचं इम्प्रॉपर फ्रॅक्शन करणार आहोत. हे आपण मागील व्हिडिओमध्ये शिकलेलो आहोत. सो लेट्स कन्वर्ट दिस मिक्स फ्रॅक्शन इनटू इम्प्रॉपर फ्रॅक्शन. 1 into 4 plus 1. 1 into 4 plus 1. That means 1 into 4 4 plus 1 5. So This is the improper fraction of. Then 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 upon 2. पहा मुलांनो, या मेथडमध्ये आपल्याला या मिक्स नंबरचं आपल्याला इम्प्रॉपर फ्रॅक्शनमध्ये रूपांतर करायचं आहे. Now these two fractions are improper fractions. So again make them like fractions. So in this example we can only multiply this fraction by 2 to make them like fractions. So 5 upon 4 plus multiply this fraction by 2 so that both will become like fractions. This is 5 upon 4. हे 5 upon 4 हे आपण आहे तसेच लिहिणार आहोत. प्लस 7 टू जा 14 प्लस 4. पहा या ठिकाणी आता आपले छेद समान झालेले आहे. नाव ॲड these two fractions. So 5 plus 14 is equal to 19 upon 4. Again here this is improper fraction. Now we are going to convert this improper fraction into mixed number or mixed fraction. So if we divide 19 by 4, so here 4 4s are 16, the remainder is 3. So the quotient is 4, so write quotient first, then the remainder is 3, so write 3 and the divisor 4 here. So the answer is 4 integer 3 upon 4. पहा मुलांनो, पहिल्या मेथडने सुद्धा आपलं तेच उत्तर आलेलं आहे आणि ह्या सेकंड मेथडने सुद्धा आपलं तेच उत्तर आलेलं आहे. म्हणून मेथड कोणतीही वापरा, आपलं उत्तर एकच येणार आहे. लेट्स डू वन मोर एक्झाम्पल बाय दिस मेथड. द एक्झाम्पल इज 5 integer 1 upon 5 plus 2 integer 1 upon 7. फर्स्ट ह्या मेथडमध्ये आपण या दोन नॅचरल नंबरची बेरीज आधी केली आणि नंतर या फ्रॅक्शनची बेरीज केली. या ठिकाणी आपण हे जे मिक्स फ्रॅक्शन आहे त्याचं रूपांतर आपण इम्प्रॉपर फ्रॅक्शनमध्ये करणार आहोत. सो 5 5 जा 25, 25 plus 1 26 upon 5 plus 2 7 जा 14, 14 plus 1 15. पहा मुलांनो, हे जे आपण इथे करत आहोत हे आपण मागील व्हिडिओमध्ये शिकलेलो आहे. Again, these two fractions are unlike fractions, so we are going to make them like fraction. So we can make cross multiplication. So 26 multiplied by 7 upon 5 multiplied by 7 plus 15 multiplied by 5 upon 7 multiplied by 5. So now we are going to multiply them. So 26 into 7. The answer is 182 upon 35 plus 15 into 5. 75 and 35. Now we are going to add. Now look here, these are the like fractions. So we can add these two fractions. So the answer is 257 upon 35. Now again this is improper fraction. So we have to convert them into mixed number. So in our rough page we are dividing this number Now here, while dividing this number by 35, the quotient is 7 and the remainder is 12. So write quotient first, then the remainder and then the divisor. Now again look here, both the answers are same. So we can add these mixed numbers by any one method. Let's understand the second mathematical operation, that is subtraction of mixed number. Let's take the example for the subtraction. 3 integer 1 upon 3 minus 1 integer 1 upon 4. So by first method, we are going to write these natural numbers first. So 3 minus 1 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4. पहा मुलांनो, या ठिकाणी आपण ह्या दोन नॅचरल नंबर्सची वजाबाकी इथे करत आहोत आणि ह्या दोन फ्रॅक्शनची वजाबाकी इथे करत आहोत. पण ही जी फ्रॅक्शन आहे हा एकत्र आहेत. सो 3 अँड 1 अपॉन 3. सो इथे आपण बेरजेचं चिन्ह लिहिणार आहोत. नाव 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4. Again here are unlike fractions. So we are going to make them like fractions by cross multiplication. So 1 into 4 upon 3 into 4 minus 1 into 3 upon 4 into 3. 2 plus 1 into 4, 4. And 3 into 4, 12 minus 1 into 3, 3 upon 4 into 3, 12, which is equal to 2 plus 4 minus 3, 1 upon 12. Now remove this plus sign and write down 2 integer 1 upon 12. So this is the answer, 2 integer 1 upon 12 of this subtraction of mixed number. Now let's do this example again by the second method. The example is 3 integer 1 upon 3 minus 1 integer 1 upon 4. By the second method, first we are going to convert this mixed number into improper fraction. So 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 upon 3 minus 1 into 4, 4 plus 1, 5 upon 4. Again, here are unlike fractions. So make them like fraction by cross multiplication. So 10 into 4 upon 3 into 4 minus 5 into 3 upon 4 into 3, which is equal to 10 into 4, 40 upon 3 into 4, 12, 5 into 3, 15 upon 12. Now these are like fractions, so we can subtract this fraction into from this fraction. So 40 minus 15, which is equal to 25 upon 12. Now again this is improper fraction, so convert it into mixed number. We have learned how to convert them. Once again recall this. 25 is divided by 12. So here 12 2s are 24. The remainder is 1. So 2 is the quotient. So write 2 here. Then the remainder is 1. So write 1 and the divisor 12. Look, the answers are same. Now let's do one more subtraction. This is an example. 5 integer 1 upon 2 minus 3 integer 1 upon 3. Here first subtract this natural number from this natural number. So 5 minus 3 plus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. बघा मुलांना, वजाबाकी करत असताना आपण इथे अधिकचे चिन्ह देत आहोत. बिकॉज 5 अँड 1 अपॉन 2 म्हणजे या इथे हे दोन नंबर्सची ॲडिशन आहे आणि इथे या दोन नंबर्सची ॲडिशन आहे. या ठिकाणी 5 ही नॅचरल नंबर आहे अँड 1 अँड हाफ म्हणजे 5 अँड 1 अँड हाफ, 3 अँड 1 अपॉन 3. सो 5 minus 3 plus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. 5 minus 3, 2 plus here these are unlike fractions. So convert them into like fractions. So 1 upon 2 is multiplied by 3 minus this 1 upon 3 is multiplied by 2. 1 upon 2 हा पूर्णांक आपण 3 ने गुणणार आहोत and 1 upon 3 हा पूर्णांक आपण 2 ने गुणणार आहोत. 2 plus 1 3s are 3 and 2 3s are 6 minus 1 2s are 2 upon 3 2s are 6. 2 plus these fractions are like fractions, so subtract 2 from 3. The answer is 1 upon 6. Remove this plus sign The answer is 2 integer 1 upon 6. So this is the answer by first method. Now let's do this example with the second method. 5 integer 1 upon 2 minus 3 integer 1 upon 3 is equal to, convert this mixed number into improper fraction. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 upon 2 minus 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 upon 2, sorry 10 upon 3, 11 upon 2 minus 10 upon 3. Now convert these unlike fractions into like fractions. So 11 upon 2 is multiplied by 3, cross multiplication, minus 10 upon 3, this fraction is multiplied by 2. So 11 3s are 33 upon 2 3s are 6 minus 20 upon 6. After subtraction, the answer is 13 upon 6. Now convert this improper fraction into mixed number. So 6 2s are 12. The remainder is 1 upon 6. So students, look, the answers are same. So thus we can subtract these mixed numbers by any one method.